Supply chains today are more complex than ever. Disconnected systems, manual processes, and limited visibility on the ground. Frontline teams still rely on outdated tools, leading to errors, delays, and lost productivity. And when systems go offline, operations stop. But the future of operations is already here. Connected, intelligent, mobile-first. Introducing Propel Apps, the industry's most comprehensive connected worker platform, trusted by global enterprises with 100+ successful supply chain transformations. From inventory and warehouse management to maintenance, safety, and field operations, Propel Apps brings every process onto a single mobile platform. Built with offline-first architecture so your operations never stop, powered by AI and automation to drive faster, smarter decisions, seamlessly integrated with Oracle EBS, Oracle Cloud, SAP ECC, SAP S/4HANA. Optimize inventory with real-time accuracy. Reduce downtime with intelligent maintenance. Digitize safety, compliance, and inspections, and transform frontline operations into connected, data-driven workflows. Eliminate manual errors, improve workforce productivity, gain real-time visibility, and accelerate execution across operations. Deploy in weeks, not months. Scale across sites, teams, and geographies with ease. This is more than mobility, it's a connected workforce, an intelligent supply chain, and a future-ready enterprise.